Hello and welcome to this Fireside Chat on CXO TV. I'm your host, Kalpana Singhal. Today we have a special guest with us, Mr. Siddharth Idnani, Head of Alliances and Channel Partners, Oracle India. Welcome, Siddharth.
Thanks, Kalpana. Great to be here. Great to talk to you and share what we are doing with partners and, to boost cloud consumption with our customers.
It's my pleasure, Siddharth. Okay, so Siddharth, what is your role and the portfolio that you handle at Oracle India?
Right. So I lead alliances for Oracle in India for the entire technology, hardware, and cloud business. Me and my team, we work with our entire partner ecosystem to ensure that the offerings that we have are taken to market and customers have the right partner to choose in terms of implementing and buying that technology.
Okay. So, Siddharth, could you give us some insights into the current trends and challenges in the technology landscape?
Sure. At a high level, I think there is tremendous opportunity in the India market in particular, but at a global level, the momentum that we as Oracle are seeing because of the cloud complemented with the business momentum in general in developing markets like India has meant that the adoption of technology, particularly cloud, has allowed businesses to drive innovation, save costs, while remaining flexible and agile. From a challenge perspective, what the cloud has done is help enable all of what I just spoke about. But it's also, for some customers, has made things incredibly complex. And the challenges around cybersecurity in particular remain top of most business agendas. And therefore, we as Oracle believe that we need to ensure that we make things simpler for customers through our offerings, but also through what we do along with our partners to help customers truly adopt the benefits of the cloud, but minimize some of the challenges as they do that.
Yeah. So moving on, could you please talk about the launch of Cloud Alloy and its key benefits to the Indian market, especially from a partner's perspective?
Sure. I think Alloy, Kalpana, was unveiled at last year's Cloud World event in Vegas, and is a platform that truly empowers our partners to tailor diverse cloud services for different markets, industries, or regional needs, while maintaining control over the entire customer experience. Between the time it was launched and now, it is globally available, including in India. And it allows tremendous growth opportunities to some of the large service providers, system integrators, ISVs, and other cloud hosting providers to be able to address the needs of new market segments or those of existing customers. The advantage that Alloy offers is that partners control the entire customer experience. They control the entire commercial arrangement that they have with their set of customers. And all this while operating Oracle Alloy in their own data centers with full control over the technology operations as well.
So, Siddharth, as the leader of alliances and channels at Oracle, you have a unique perspective on the industry. Could you give us some insights into the current trends and challenges in the technology landscape?
Sure, let me do that. So I'll start with the trends and the opportunity as we see it as Oracle. And my focus is going to be more on the cloud part of our business, because that is a big focus area for us and our customers. Let me start by saying that as Oracle, we are doing extremely well in terms of the adoption of our cloud portfolio, both across the application stack and also the technology, or the combination of infrastructure and PaaS services, as we brand OCI from an Oracle standpoint. The combination of both of these, we believe, is unique. What we are seeing in terms of trends is customers have really driven adoption of the cloud, both on the SaaS to start with, and now increasingly on the BaaS and IaaS side as well. Obviously, the benefits of cloud are well known in terms of agility, elasticity, cost savings from an overall TCO standpoint, enhanced security, and several others that businesses availed of, particularly during the COVID period, and have continued to do so as we've moved along. Moving to challenges, I think the cloud has made things simpler, but in a way, there is also an added layer of complexity that needs to be addressed through a combination of the cloud services itself, plus services that some of our partners provide. And this is where I think customers sometimes face challenges in terms of how do we truly avail the benefits of what the cloud has to offer while keeping it secure, while keeping it stable, and while ensuring that through a combination of our own internal IT teams and what the market has to offer, what partners have to offer, we are able to truly leverage the benefit of what we've invested in to drive end customer outcomes. That I would say is the top point on most CIOs, CTOs, or business owners' agenda. How do we get the most out of the investments? How do we make sure that as we move to the cloud, we are secure and safe and stable?
Yeah, absolutely. So cloud definitely has been a game changer, considering the advantages it provides in terms of not just the cost, but also the scalability and the time, basically, and accessibility. There are numerous advantages moving to the cloud. So although we know that Oracle has many solutions for different industry verticals, but could you please share how Oracle plans to provide support and training to help Indian enterprises make the most of the Alloy platform?
Okay, sure. So let me talk a bit about the Alloy platform to start with. We've spoken about this in earlier interactions, and Alloy is a unique offering that Oracle brought to the market. We announced it more than a year back, and now it's officially available. It is unique in that it allows large partners that want to be able to become MSPs, but do not have the set of services that OCI has, to be able to cater to a set of new or existing customers. And it allows the partner to help build a bespoke or a unique platform using what Oracle has to offer, and price it, bundle it with their own package services, white label it in any way that they deem fit to either address a new market segment, or, like I said, if there are gaps in their current offering base to customers, it could help plug that and help them grow their business. Now, as partners who would do that, it also makes increased choice for end customers, because a lot of our customers work with us directly and with a large number of our partners to look at OCI or Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. But this will help customers get more choice. If a customer wants something that can be uniquely addressed through one of our partners that become Alloy partners, they are welcome to do that. It just expands the portfolio of choices. And in that sense, really the focus or the primary driver of this has been, as always, for Oracle to expand choices that our customers have as they move to the cloud. Now, to address the question on what support and training, Oracle, for all our technology products, for all our applications products, for all our cloud offerings, we have a very strong focus on certifications. So we want to make sure that partners that are selling or servicing our clients or deploying technology on the Oracle Cloud are fully certified, but also are trained. And a lot of these offerings, are under the umbrella of Oracle University, because we realize that the better trained and better supported our partners are, the more likely they are to deliver successful end customer outcomes. So we will continue to leverage the same set of offerings as we enable partners in delivering Alloy.
Yeah, well, that's great to hear. So, in your opinion, what industries or sectors within India do you believe will benefit the most from adopting Oracle Alloy, and why?
Sure. So I think if we look at where we've seen why cloud adoption has been universal, but there is no one segment as such that will benefit from it, because Kalpana, like I said, it allows a partner to build on top of Alloy and reach out to any market segment that they believe will benefit from a service such as this. Now, obviously, the big sectors for us where we've seen great cloud adoption are bank BFSI. We've seen great successes in government with existing partners and new. We've also had great success in manufacturing, digital natives, and several others. So it is hard for me to pick one segment, but any customer that wants the flexibility of a model that is that offers the benefit of the public cloud and all that OCI has to offer, but has concerns on data residency, on location, can potentially look at the Alloy offering through one of our partners as it is enabled.
Yeah, so that's quite interesting. So, if you can elaborate on the kind of competitive advantages Indian businesses can gain on the global stage by leveraging Oracle Alloy, and how it positions them in the broader market.
Yeah, so I think I will answer this from the point of view of a partner. And partners that are looking at Oracle Alloy today are potentially, like I said, some of them are Indian partners, some are global partners. We've had some success with Alloy in other parts of Asia Pacific, where some of our partners, stroke customers, have signed up for this. But from an Indian context, really, if a partner sees the benefit from Alloy in a particular region or a market like India, they could, if they have the geographic scale and the business plans to support global growth, we have the ability to offer the Alloy cloud region or build an Alloy cloud region for those partners pretty much anywhere in the world where we either have existing data centers, or we believe it will be complementary and it will help us gain market share and service custom in a new region where we haven't been before. So it's a fairly it's a very broad answer, but I think we will have, it'll be unique to what the needs of each partner are.
Yes. So that's impressive. Could you share some of the unique features which Oracle Alloy offers to deliver unmatched performance and scalability and flexibility in cloud infrastructure?
Now, so to highlight some, OCI or Oracle Cloud was built as a Gen 2 cloud. It was not something that was built to just fix or deliver minute increments on what our competitors were doing, but it was truly redesigned with security, flexibility, and unmatched scalability in mind when we took it to market. And that's why we've seen great success with the Gen 2 OCI offering across the world, in India in particular, and across all market segments. The same would apply to Alloy, but because all of what Alloy does is that it allows a partner to choose either all or a set of OCI services that they can, like I mentioned earlier, white label, rebrand, package as a managed service, price it the way they want, and service their customers. But the underlying infrastructure, the underlying security, the underlying frameworks are still the same that we run OCI in any of our 40 plus regions on today.
Yeah. So it's almost same as the other solutions of Oracle when it comes to either HCI and the other infrastructure solutions, right? Sure. So before we wrap up, would you like to give any advice to our audience?
No, not really. I mean, thank you to all our customers and partners in India for the confidence that they have demonstrated in OCI in particular and in Oracle as a company in general. I think we continue to stay committed to delivering great customer value, and for our partners, the message is clear that we want to work closely with you We want to make you successful as we scale the cloud business. But our end goal is that we have to deliver customer outcomes and customer success.
Thank you, Siddharth, for sharing your valuable insights with us today. It was a pleasure having you on CXO TV.
Thank you, Kalpana. I look forward to talking to you again. Bye-bye.
Thank you. So that concludes our fireside chat with Siddharth Idnani from Oracle India. Thank you all for joining us, and we hope you found this discussion insightful. Stay tuned for more interviews and discussions on CXO TV.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.